Orcas, also known as killer whales, are among the most formidable predators in the ocean. Their reputation as apex hunters is well-deserved, yet despite their power and intelligence, attacks on humans are exceptionally rare. This intriguing behavior raises the question, why don't orcas eat people? The answer lies in a combination of deep-rooted instincts, highly specialized diets, and the unique ways orcas learn and interact within their family groups. To understand orcas' relationship with humans, it's important to recognize that these animals are highly social creatures. They live in close-knit pods, led by experienced matriarchs, and much of their hunting behavior is learned rather than instinctual. From a young age, orca calves observe their mothers and other pod members, absorbing lessons about what is considered food and how to catch it. These lessons are passed down through generations, forming the backbone of each pod's unique culture. Because orcas have never been taught that humans are prey, they simply do not recognize people as a source of food. Even encounters with humans in the wild tend to be marked by curiosity rather than aggression. If an orca does approach a swimmer or diver, it is often to investigate rather than to hunt. Another key factor is the orca's notorious pickiness. When it comes to food, unlike many other predators, orcas are highly selective eaters, with different populations specializing in specific types of prey. Some pods feed exclusively on fish, such as salmon, while others have developed techniques for hunting seals, sea lions, or even whales. Once a pod has established a dietary preference, they stick to it with remarkable loyalty. This specialization ensures that orcas become experts at catching and consuming their chosen prey, but it also means they ignore other potential food sources, including humans. The idea of eating something unfamiliar simply does not fit into their learned behavior or cultural norms. The physical differences between humans and the orca's typical prey also play a significant role. Orcas are equipped to hunt animals that match the size, shape, and composition of their usual diet. For example, those that target fish have teeth and digestive systems adapted for dealing with scales and bones, while those that hunt marine mammals are skilled at dispatching and consuming blubber-rich bodies. In contrast, the human body, with its dense skeleton and minimal fat, presents a challenge both in terms of capture and digestion. Orcas, though powerful, are not equipped to efficiently process creatures with long, thick bones like those of a human. This further reduces the likelihood that they would see people as a viable food source. Evolution has also played a part in shaping orca behavior. Over countless generations, natural selection has reinforced successful hunting strategies and dietary preferences within each pod. Any deviation from these established patterns would be inefficient, potentially risky, and unlikely to provide the nutritional benefits orcas seek. This evolutionary conservatism makes them unlikely to experiment with new prey items, especially something as unfamiliar as a human. Finally, interactions between orcas and humans are influenced by respect and caution on both sides. In the wild, orcas display a remarkable degree of intelligence and self-control. When humans enter their environment, whether while swimming, diving, or boating, these animals often choose to observe from a distance or interact playfully, rather than aggressively. There have been a few rare instances of orcas displaying predatory behavior toward humans in captivity, but these situations are not representative of their natural instincts. In summary, orcas do not eat people because they have not learned to view humans as food. They maintain highly specialized and traditional diets and find the human body unsuitable as prey. Their intelligence, social learning, and evolutionary history have all combined to create a powerful predator that, fortunately for us, has little interest in making humans a part of its menu.